things that are really stuck onto your microwave, I'm going to share with you a way to easily clean them off today. Wipe out the base, get rid of all the crumbs to begin with. It's going to make it easier to know exactly what we have to clean in the next step. This method is also going to clean the door. You can just see all the splatters are on the door as well. So we'll get this cleaned up too. And we're going to get a microwave safe bowl, half a cup of water, half a cup of vinegar. Then I have some lemon left over, so I'm going to put some in too. You don't have to do this step, but it will just help create a nice smell after cleaning. Now we're going to add this solution to our microwave. And we're going to set this on for 3 minutes, 4 minutes, until the solution starts to boil. The important step is do not open your door and then wait about 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes until the steam inside settles. And bring in a damp microfiber towel. I'm going to start off on the door with our damp microfiber towel. I'm just going to wipe and everything should just come off. See the steam that's there all lingering around. And I like using these microfiber towels because they can be washed and reused again. All these things that were stuck on the back, they just wipe right off without any scrubbing. Make sure to get the roof of it as well. Just going to come with some paper towel and just dry everything off. Get any bit that is left lying around. And that's how to clean your microwave like a pro. If you want to see more DIY videos around the home, check out this video here next.